name is Patel Rubish Kumar. I am student of 11th Science. My project name is Automated Gardening System. I will use in this project one Arduino, few jumper wires, 3 LED lights, moist soil and dry soil, moisture indicator, one motor pump, small pipe, and one battery. Which and how now I will tell you how it's work. When Arduino senses low moisture in the soil, it will turn on red light, and when there is sufficient water in the soil, then the moist soil will and the signal green light. So this project is fully automated. In this project there is no requirement human, and we use this project in our homes, means in our home gardens, and where there is small garden was available, at that place we use this project. Thank you.